Hello, friends. Today, we're exploring some incredible new kitchen gadgets that will transform your cooking experience. From time-saving tools to clever innovations, these gadgets are a must-have for any foodie. Watch as we test them out and share tips for making the most of your kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more kitchen inspiration. So don't drag the video, watch the whole video, and click the bell icon to get more new videos. Thank you. So guys, let's start the video. Yaramate Olive Oil Dispenser. The Yaramate Oil Sprayer for Cooking is a versatile 2-in-1 olive oil dispenser designed for healthy and efficient meal preparation. Its dual functionality allows you to spray or pour oil with precision, making it perfect for cooking, baking, or grilling. Crafted from high-quality food-grade materials, it ensures safety and durability. The transparent bottle lets you easily monitor oil levels and prevent waste. The ergonomic, leak-proof design ensures mess-free use and a secure grip during handling. Its adjustable nozzle provides fine misting for even application or controlled pouring for larger amounts. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for both kitchen use and outdoor barbecues. Easy to clean and refill, it offers hassle-free maintenance. This multi-purpose dispenser is suitable for olive oil, vinegar, or other liquid seasonings. Elevate your cooking experience with the convenient and stylish Yaramate Oil Sprayer. Bamboo Wood Cutting Board. The wooden cutting boards for kitchen meal prep serving are a versatile and eco-friendly addition to any kitchen. Crafted from durable bamboo wood, this set includes multiple sizes to handle all your slicing, dicing, and serving needs. Bamboo is naturally resistant to scratches and stains, making these boards both long-lasting and easy to maintain. The smooth surface is gentle on knives, preserving their sharpness over time. Designed with built-in juice grooves, they catch excess liquids to keep your workspace clean. These boards double as elegant serving platters for cheese, charcuterie, or appetizers. Lightweight yet sturdy, they're easy to handle and store. The non-toxic, BPA-free material ensures safe food preparation. Their natural finish adds a touch of rustic charm to your kitchen. Upgrade your cooking experience with this practical and stylish bamboo cutting board set. Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan. The Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan set offers durability and versatility for everyday cooking. This two-piece set includes 8-inch and 10-inch pans, perfect for sautéing, frying, and more. Crafted from hard anodized aluminum, these pans are scratch-resistant and built to last. The non-stick interior ensures effortless food release and easy cleanup, while being safe for metal utensils. Tefal's signature thermospot technology indicates when the pan is preheated and ready to cook, ensuring perfect results every time. The riveted silicone handles provide a comfortable, secure grip and remain cool on the stovetop. Oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, these pans offer added cooking flexibility. Their lightweight yet sturdy design makes them easy to handle and maneuver. Compatible with all stovetops except induction, this set is ideal for any kitchen. Elevate your cooking experience with the Tefal Ultimate Nonstick Fry Pan Set. Stainless Steel Butter Spreader. The stainless steel butter spreader is a versatile 3-in-1 kitchen gadget designed to make buttering, slicing, and spreading effortless. Made from durable, food-grade stainless steel, it's rust-resistant and built to last. The tool features a serrated edge for cutting bread or butter blocks, a flat side for spreading butter evenly, and unique perforations for creating decorative butter curls. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for any task. Perfect for butter, jams, spreads, and more, it's a must-have for breakfast and snack preparation. The sleek, modern design complements any kitchen style and is easy to clean, either by hand or in the dishwasher. Lightweight and compact, it's convenient for storage or travel. Whether you're hosting brunch or making a quick snack, this 3-in-1 butter spreader adds efficiency and elegance to your kitchen routine. Sondico Refillable Kitchen Torch. The Sondico Butane Torch S400 is a professional-grade kitchen tool perfect for culinary and household tasks. Its refillable design ensures long-lasting use, while the adjustable flame control allows precision for everything from caramelizing crème brûlée to searing meat. The torch features a safety lock to prevent accidental ignition, ensuring safe operation in the kitchen. With its durable, high-quality construction, it withstands high temperatures and frequent use. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable, secure grip for easy handling. Its versatile design also makes it great for soldering, crafting, and lighting fires. The S400 torch is compatible with most butane canisters, making refilling simple and convenient. A visible fuel gauge lets you monitor usage at a glance. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for both home and professional kitchens. Elevate your cooking game with the powerful and reliable Sondico Butane Torch S400.